everybody. It's the 6th of December and it's an absolutely gorgeous day at CycleRecycle in Kesselland. Blue skies. You might even be able to see the moon up there, just corner. That's definitely the sun. So we've got a busy day today. Just 19 days till Christmas. Don't forget, if you've got a bike that you need to sell, stick it on our website. They sell really quick on our website. So I've got these two to put on the website today. The Dawes and Caprice that we built last week. I've got this Gtech is going to get fixed today, and then I'm going to process some bicycles today rather than wheels, because I'm on the home run when it comes to the wheels. So we'll get the kettle on and we'll basically get into it. So these are good, these Gtechs, I think. They're nice bikes. This one's not particularly well looked after. However, the fiddly bit is the belt drive, but once you've got your head around the belt drive on these, it's actually quite easy to replace a tyre or tube. The customer keeps complaining the punches, but his tyres are absolutely bald, like really bald. But he didn't want to put a new tyre on, so I'm going to give him a call, tell him his bike's done. So the next one is this Dawes Discovery 301 that sadly the drive is completely worn out on it. However, it's got a few bits and pieces that we can harvest, and I never know whether these have aluminium frames or not. I don't think it has, because it's getting rusty rather than oxidising like aluminium oxide. However, it's got a couple of tyres on, a couple of wheels, there's some bits and pieces that we can piece, so I'm gonna do that. so I've just been to lunch and I'm back again. I sold a bike at lunchtime, or just before lunchtime. Sold the Shockwave XJ920. Need to put these ones on the website later on this afternoon. I've also dismantled 3 bikes this morning and chopped up nearly 30 wheels, and tidied up the aftermath of that. This one here should be being picked up shortly, but yeah, it's all good, it's all good. So this afternoon I'm going to be basically doing admin, taking photographs, doing social media, that sort of thing. So if you've enjoyed the video, please click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that will remind you when we put a video on. We try and do a video at 7 PM every day. If you're new to the channel, we'd love it if you subscribed. If you are one of our subscribers, thank you so much. Please could you share this video with your friends and anyone else who might find it interesting, because the more the merrier. Have a wonderful evening, and we will see you bright and fresh tomorrow.